be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. All right, we have already turned off the water and disconnected our electrical. Now we're going to replace the valve. So the tools needed are a 1/2-inch wrench, a 9/16 inch wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver. So first thing we're going to do is loosen up these water connections. Now let's just spin this off. And our feed tube. There we are. Okay, now we need to remove these 2 Phillips screws. Here's our driver. All right, so here's the old valve, and we're going to get rid of this. All right, here's the new valve. Now, what's important here is the arrow. The arrow must point this direction. Water comes in from this line into it, out of the valve, and goes to the feed tube. So that this is the direction the water must go, so that arrow must point this direction. So let's go ahead and mount the valve first. And we'll tighten up those 2 screws. There we are. And we'll connect our water lines. Here's the water in. And make this hand tight for just a minute. There we are. And feed tube. That's hand tight. Okay, now let's get our wrenches out. And we're going to tighten this up. All right, these connections are tight, the mounting is tight. We are all done except for turning the water back on and reconnecting our electrical. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.